Every single year, billions of discarded aluminum cans are thrown away worldwide. But here, in this massive facility, they are never considered mere waste or trash. This is the very beginning of an incredible journey of rebirth. We are witnessing the transformation of common household scrap into high-end components for the world's finest vehicles. A giant mechanical claw reaches deep into the pile, lifting thousands of cans at once. This raw material is the lifeblood of a sophisticated industrial manufacturing process. The aluminum is dropped into a heavy-duty shredder that will tear the metal apart. The sound of crushing metal echoes through the yard as the preparation stage begins. The machine grinds the cans into small, uniform fragments of aluminum. And this uniform size is essential for the high-temperature melting process that will occur in the next stage. A long conveyor belt carries these pieces into the heart of the factory. The sheer volume of material being processed here is a testament to modern industrial capacity. Magnetic separators work silently above the belt to pull away any iron or steel impurities. Only the highest quality aluminum is allowed to pass through to the furnace. Optical sensors scan every single fragment at lightning speed, identifying non-metallic materials. Powerful air jets then blast away any remaining plastic, paper, or unwanted debris from the stream. This clean and organized facility stands in stark contrast to the chaotic mountains of scrap outside. Efficiency and precision are the primary goals at this stage of production. The cleaned aluminum now looks like a silver waterfall as it fills the storage bins. This material is now ready to face the intense heat of the forge. Technicians monitor the entire flow through digital control panels, ensuring that the volume remains consistent. Every step is measured to maintain the highest standard of material purity. The rhythmic vibrations of the machinery create a powerful industrial symphony. The air is filled with the energy of a factory that never stops its mission of recycling. The sharp blades make quick work of even the densest metal blocks. Nothing can resist the force of these industrial grinders as they prepare the metal for melting. Automated systems transport the processed material toward the melting zone. The transition from chaotic scrap to organized raw material is nearly complete at this point in time. The aluminum fragments drop into the final hopper before entering the furnace. This marks the end of the sorting phase and the beginning of the thermal transformation. Through the heat-resistant glass, we see the metal moving into the dark tunnel. The temperature is about to rise significantly as the metal approaches the melting core. The massive furnace stands ready, glowing with an intense orange light. Inside, a sea of molten fire awaits to consume the remnants of the old aluminum cans. With the push of a button, the process enters the next phase. The heavy doors open, releasing a wave of heat that signals the start of the smelting. The smelting hall is filled with a thick atmosphere of heat and industrial power. This is where the old form of the metal is destroyed to create something new. The operator watches carefully, his face shielded by a protective visor. The extreme heat requires constant vigilance to ensure safety and quality during the entire melting process. As the shards hit the surface, they liquefy almost instantly. The solid metal becomes a flowing liquid, shedding its past identity as a simple drink container forever. The liquid aluminum swirls in a massive vat like a silver ocean. This molten state allows for the complete purification of the metal at a molecular level. A robotic arm stirs the liquid metal to maintain a perfectly uniform temperature. Even heating is critical to prevent any defects in the final alloy we are creating. The furnace tilts, pouring a brilliant stream of liquid silver into a waiting ladle. The metal is now ready to be refined and turned into high-strength alloy blocks. The glowing ladle travels along an overhead rail, moving the precious cargo to the refining station. Every spark tells the story of the metal's intense and fiery journey. Nitrogen is bubbled through the liquid to pull out any trapped gases. This degasification process is vital for ensuring the structural integrity of the high-performance wheels later on. The technician carefully removes the slag that floats on the surface. These impurities are the last remnants of the old cons, leaving behind only the purest aluminum possible. A small sample is taken for immediate laboratory analysis. Scientists must verify the chemical composition before the metal can move forward to the casting and alloying stage. In the lab, a laser spectrometer analyzes the sample in seconds. This high-tech verification ensures that the aluminum meets the strict requirements for aerospace and automotive standards. The purified metal flows into ingot molds on a continuous production line. These solid blocks will serve as the raw material for the next phase of manufacturing. Cold water jets spray the hot metal, sending up plumes of white steam. The rapid cooling solidifies the aluminum into manageable blocks while preserving its refined grain structure. Each ingot is stamped with a unique serial code for complete traceability. We can track the journey of these cans from the scrapyard to the final supercar wheel. Thousands of ingots are stacked neatly, representing a massive amount of energy and material saved. This warehouse is a treasure trove of high-quality recycled aluminum material. A forklift moves the ingots toward the alloying station where their real transformation begins. Here, they will be combined with other elements to gain incredible new properties. The ingots are remelted and mixed with magnesium and silicon. This precise combination is the secret recipe that gives the final product its legendary strength and durability. Magnesium is added to increase the hardness of the alloy. Even a small amount of this element can dramatically change the performance characteristics of the base aluminum. Silicon is then introduced to improve the flow and casting properties of the metal. The mixture is now becoming a high-performance alloy worthy of a world-class supercar. An invisible induction current stirs the metal into a powerful vortex. This electromagnetic technology ensures a perfectly homogeneous mixture of all the different alloying elements involved. Yet the casting machine stands like a giant sentinel in the factory. It is designed to withstand incredible pressure while forming the complex shapes of modern automotive art. The molds are sprayed with a specialized release agent. This ensures that the wheel can be removed cleanly after the metal has solidified inside the complex mold cavity. With a heavy thud, the two halves of the mold come together. Hydraulic pistons apply immense pressure to ensure that no metal escapes during the high-pressure injection process. The liquid alloy is forced into the mold at high speed. This pressure ensures that every detail of the wheel design is perfectly filled with the molten metal. A thermal scan monitors the cooling process in real time. Maintaining the correct temperature gradient is essential to prevent internal stresses and ensure a solid, flaw-free structure. The mold opens, revealing the rough shape of a wheel for the first time. Though it is still glowing hot, the transformation from liquid to solid is complete, and a robot arm gently removes the hot wheel and dunks it into water. This rapid cooling, or quenching, is a critical step in the heat treatment process for strength. The wheel is now solid and cool enough to handle. Its raw surface is a dull gray, showing no hint of the brilliant finish it will soon possess. An automated station uses lasers to measure every dimension of the casting. If the raw shape is not perfect, it will be sent back to be remelted. The raw wheel is loaded into a sophisticated CNC machine. This 5-axis powerhouse will carve the intricate designs and aerodynamic features that define a supercar wheel. The drill bits spin at incredible speeds, carving precise holes for the lug nuts. Every movement is controlled by a computer to ensure absolute accuracy to the micron. The milling bit removes layers of metal to shape the spokes. A blue coolant fluid sprays across the surface to manage the heat generated by the intense friction. The machine swaps tools in a fraction of a second. This automated efficiency allows for complex geometries that would be impossible to achieve through traditional manual machining. A fine finishing bit creates a smooth surface on the inner rim. This smoothness is not just for looks, it is essential for the wheel's balance and performance. Rows of CNC machines work in unison, turning raw metal into engineering masterpieces. The facility operates with the precision of a high-end watchmaker on a massive scale. Even the shavings are not wasted. They are immediately vacuumed up and collected. These scraps will be sent back to the furnace to begin the cycle again. The wheel emerges from the machine with sharp lines and complex patterns. It is transformed from a rough block of metal into a recognizable piece of high-performance hardware. The wheel is now placed into a special oven for heat treatment. This process will rearrange the internal molecular structure to maximize the strength of the alloy. The temperature is monitored to the exact degree. Any variation could weaken the metal, so absolute control is required during this critical phase of the hardening process. The wheels undergo an aging process for several hours. This allows the alloying elements to fully precipitate and lock the structure into its strongest possible configuration. Exiting the oven, the wheels now possess incredible strength. They are ready to handle the immense forces generated by a supercar moving at over 300 kilometers per hour. A skilled worker manually checks and deburrs the edges. Even in a fully automated factory, the human touch is still required for the final quality inspection. The wheel is submerged in a chemical bath to clean its surface. This ensures that the paint will bond perfectly and won't chip or peel during extreme use. And a robot arm applies a glossy primer while the wheel spins. This base layer provides corrosion protection and a smooth foundation for the final color coat. Electrostatic painting technology is used to ensure even coverage. The paint particles are magnetically attracted to the wheel, reaching even the most difficult to access corners and crevices. The final black color is applied, revealing a deep piano black shine. This finish is as durable as it is beautiful, designed to withstand road debris and high heat. A clear coat is the final protective layer. It adds a mirror-like depth to the finish and protects the underlying paint from UV rays and harsh weather conditions. Infrared lamps bake the finish to a hard, durable state. This drying tunnel ensures that the coating is fully cured before the wheels move to final inspection. Every wheel is inspected under bright lights for any tiny imperfections. The standard for a supercar is perfection, and even the smallest dust speck is not allowed. A diamond-cut lathe shaves a thin layer off the face of the spokes. This creates a stunning two-tone effect, contrasting the black paint with bright, polished aluminum. The polished surface reflects a rainbow of light, showcasing the precision of the machine. This detail adds a level of sophistication that is synonymous with high-end luxury. The wheel is placed on a balancing machine to ensure it spins perfectly. Any imbalance would cause vibrations at high speeds, which is unacceptable for a supercar's performance. The screen shows a perfect balance with zero deviation. This precision ensures a smooth and stable ride, even when the car is pushed to its absolute limits. An X-ray scan looks deep inside the metal for any hidden flaws. We must ensure that the internal structure is as perfect as the beautiful exterior appearance. Fatigue testing simulates thousands of miles of driving in just a few days. These wheels are built to last, enduring extreme stress tests before they ever reach a customer. A laser etches the final logo and specifications onto the rim. This is the mark of quality, a signature of excellence that guarantees the wheel's high-performance heritage. The wheel is buffed one last time to a brilliant shine. Every step of this process is handled with the utmost care to ensure a flawless final product. The finished set of wheels is carefully packed in foam-lined boxes. They are now ready to be shipped to an assembly plant where they will meet their supercar. The destination is set for a world-renowned supercar manufacturer. This set of wheels has come a long way from its humble beginnings as recycled aluminum cans. In a luxury showroom, a red Lamborghini is prepared for its new upgrade. The standard wheels are removed to make room for the recycled aluminum masterpieces, and the new wheel slides onto the axle with perfect precision. The contrast between the black alloy and the bright brake calipers is visually striking and incredibly aggressive. Titanium bolts are tightened with a precision torque wrench. In the world of supercars, every detail matters, and every component must be installed with absolute technical accuracy. The car is lowered, and the transformation is complete. The wheels look like they were always meant to be there, adding a layer of style and high-tech performance. The engine roars to life as the driver presses the start button. The energy of the recycled aluminum is now ready to be unleashed on the open road. The car accelerates with incredible force, the new wheels biting into the pavement. This is the moment where engineering meets art in a high-speed display of pure power. As the car carves through mountain curves, the wheels handle the stress with ease. The lightweight alloy reduces unsprung weight, significantly improving the car's handling and responsiveness. At high speeds, the wheel becomes a shimmering blur. The aerodynamic design helps cool the brakes while reducing drag, allowing the car to reach its maximum velocity. On the track, the wheels are pushed to their limits. The heat-treated recycled aluminum proves its worth, maintaining its shape and strength under the most extreme racing conditions. Even during a high-speed drift, the structural integrity of the wheel remains perfect. This is the ultimate test of the recycling process we witnessed from the very beginning. The driver can feel the difference in every turn. The combination of strength and low weight provides a level of feedback that only high-end forged wheels can offer. Crossing the finish line, the journey is complete. These wheels have proven that recycled materials can perform at the highest levels of professional motorsport without any compromise. Parked and victorious, the car stands as a monument to sustainable engineering. We have seen how trash can be turned into a masterpiece of modern automotive technology. Every detail reflects the dedication to quality. From the first crushed can to this final polished surface, the pursuit of perfection has never wavered for a single moment. This is the cycle of rebirth. It is a story of fire, technology, and a commitment to a future where nothing is wasted and everything has potential. As the sun sets, the factory continues its work. The next batch of cans is arriving, ready to begin their own fiery journey toward becoming something truly extraordinary. It all starts with a simple choice. When you recycle a can, you aren't just saving metal, you are providing the raw material for the next generation of supercars. The fiery journey of rebirth is a testament to human ingenuity. We have turned the mundane into the magnificent, proving that the future of performance is truly sustainable. And the heat of the furnace and the precision of the drill work together. They transform a simple piece of waste into a component that defines automotive excellence today. At the microscopic level, the metal is perfectly aligned. This internal order is what gives the alloy its incredible strength, allowing it to withstand extreme pressures and vibrations. Designers continue to push the boundaries of what is possible. Every new wheel starts as a sketch, blending aesthetic beauty with the physics of high-speed airflow and weight distribution. The logistics of this operation are just as impressive as the manufacturing. Robots move with silent efficiency, ensuring that these high-performance parts reach their global destinations on time. Every spark represents a step forward in the process. The beauty of the industrial environment is a reflection of the incredible technology that makes this recycling possible today. Even the cooling water is carefully managed, and its temperature and chemical composition are critical for achieving the desired quenching effect during the heat treatment phase of production. The entire production line moves like a single synchronized organism. This level of automation is what allows for consistent quality across thousands of complex wheel units every month. Human expertise remains the final line of defense against defects. A pair of trained eyes can spot anomalies that even the most advanced sensors might occasionally miss. High-pressure steam cleans the metal before the final coating. This ensures that the surface is completely free of oils and contaminants, allowing the finish to shine perfectly. Every drop of paint is accounted for by the computer system. Precision in coating not only ensures a better finish, but also reduces waste in the manufacturing process. Some wheels receive a specialized PE. BD code goal. Yes, this high-tech process creates a metallic finish that is far more durable and brilliant than traditional liquid paint. The plasma glow inside the chamber indicates that the coating is being applied at the atomic level. This results in a finish that is incredibly thin, yet remarkably strong. The result is a stunning, dark-tinted chrome finish. This unique look is highly sought after by supercar owners who want their vehicle to stand out from the crowd. A 3D measuring machine verifies that every curve is correct. If any part of the wheel is off by even a fraction of a millimeter, it cannot be shipped. We test the wheels at speeds far exceeding what they will see on the road. This safety margin is what ensures the driver's security during high-speed performance driving. Vibration sensors confirm that the wheel is perfectly balanced. Even at extreme rotations, there is no shaking, proving that the manufacturing process is flawlessly executed from start to finish. A QR code is etched into every rim for easy tracking. Customers can scan this code to see the entire history of their wheel, including the recycling data. The factory uses renewable energy to power its operations. This commitment to sustainability makes the recycling of aluminum cans even more beneficial for the environment as a whole. Final handling is done with extreme care. The wheels are wrapped in microfiber to ensure that they arrive at the assembly plant in showroom condition without a single scratch. The truck is loaded and ready for departure. These recycled wheels are about to become part of some of the most expensive and powerful machines ever built by man. At the Supercar factory, the wheels finally arrive. They are the last major component to be installed, completing the vehicle and giving it its distinctive stance and character. The center cap is the finishing touch. With the brand logo in place, the wheel is officially recognized as a part of an elite class of high-performance automotive engineering. The car is tested on a dynamometer to ensure everything is perfect. The wheels spin under power, transmitting the engine's massive torque to the rollers with absolute efficiency. Tire pressure is set with precision for the first test drive. The interaction between the alloy wheel and the high-performance rubber is what creates the car's legendary grip. The car leaves the factory for its final check. It is a moment of pride for everyone involved, from the recyclers to the engineers who designed the final product. In the city lights, the wheels sparkle with a life of their own. They are a constant reminder of how far a simple aluminum can go with technology. The wheels handle the heat of the brakes perfectly. Even under heavy stopping, the alloy remains stable, proving its durability and high-performance credentials in the real world. A new owner takes delivery of their dream car. They may not realize it, but their wheels were once thousands of aluminum cans, now reborn as a performance masterpiece. Yet the car disappears into the distance, a symbol of progress. The journey from waste to wonder is a continuous cycle that benefits both the planet and the driver. The hidden emblem is a badge of honor. It represents a commitment to the environment and a belief that performance and sustainability can live together in perfect harmony. This fiery journey of rebirth has shown us the way forward. By recycling the old, we create the new, turning yesterday's trash into the high-performance legends of tomorrow. In every city, thousands of tons of aluminum are recycled every day. This unseen industry is the foundation for much of the high-tech equipment we use and enjoy. Engineering begins in the digital world. Stress simulations show us exactly where to add material for strength and where to remove it to save weight for better speed. Researchers are constantly developing new alloys to push the limits further. Adding elements like scandium can make aluminum as strong as steel, but at a fraction of the weight. Forging is the next step up in performance. A massive press crushes the metal, aligning the grain structure perfectly to create the strongest wheels available on the market today. The red-hot blank is handled with mechanical precision. This dense, forged piece of aluminum is now ready to be machined into its final, high-performance shape for a supercar. Flow forming uses pressure and heat to stretch the metal. This process increases the strength of the rim while reducing its thickness, creating a lighter and more durable wheel overall. The metal flows under the intense pressure of the rollers. It is a mesmerizing process that combines brute force with high-tech control to achieve the perfect rim profile every time. These blanks are significantly stronger than traditional cast wheels. They represent the pinnacle of aluminum engineering. We're ready to face the most demanding conditions on the road and track. Surface finish is measured in microns. A perfectly smooth surface reduces stress concentrations and provides the best possible foundation for the high-quality paint and clear coats that follow. Water jet technology adds intricate decorative details. Even at this level of manufacturing, small aesthetic touches are important for creating a premium look and feel for the customer. The wheels are finally paired with the best tires available. This combination is what allows a supercar to accelerate, turn, and stop with such incredible and life-saving precision. A burst of air seats the tire bead perfectly on the rim. The seal must be absolute to maintain pressure during the extreme heat and force of high-speed driving. A final leak test ensures total reliability. No bubbles mean a perfect seal, guaranteeing that the driver will never have to worry about a slow leak during a race. From this factory, wheels go to every corner of the globe. They are exported to high-end car builders and tuning shops who demand only the very best for their projects. The excitement of a customer is the ultimate reward. These wheels are more than just parts. They are a statement of style and a commitment to high-performance engineering excellence. Modern recycled wheels can even bring new life to vintage classics. They provide the perfect blend of classic styling and modern strength for older vehicles being restored today. In the studio, the wheels are the stars of the show. Their complex geometry and brilliant finish are captured by the camera, showcasing the beauty of industrial recycling at work. Some wheels are made of multiple parts for ultimate customization. Robotic welding ensures that these pieces are joined with a bond that is as strong as a single block. The ceramic coatings add another layer of high-tech protection. This makes the wheels easier to clean and helps them maintain their brilliant showroom shine for many years to come. In the heat of a race, every second counts. These wheels are designed for quick changes and maximum durability, allowing the team to stay competitive under extreme pressure. Center lock wheels are the standard for racing. They allow for the fastest possible tire changes, a critical advantage when every fraction of a second can mean the difference between winning. The car rejoins the race with fresh rubber and perfect wheels. The reliability of the alloy is what gives the driver the confidence to push the car to its limit. Victory on the track is the ultimate validation of the technology. These wheels have performed under the most grueling conditions, proving that recycled aluminum is truly world-class in every way. The celebration is a testament to the hard work of everyone involved. From the recycling center to the racetrack, this journey has been one of pure passion and excellence. The future of aluminum is even more exciting. 3D printing allows for even more complex shapes and lighter designs, taking the recycling process to a whole new level of innovation. Lattice structures provide incredible strength with almost no weight. This technology, powered by recycled aluminum, will define the next generation of supercars and aerospace vehicles around the world. We have come a long way in our understanding of this metal. What was once a precious material is now a ubiquitous part of our lives, constantly being reborn and improved. Inspiring the next generation is vital for continued progress. By showing the beauty of recycling, we can encourage young minds to pursue careers in science, engineering, and sustainable technology. The cycle starts again in our own neighborhoods. Every can you put in the recycling bin is a potential part of a future masterpiece, waiting for its own fiery journey. Aluminum is one of the few materials that can be recycled infinitely without losing its properties. This makes it the perfect candidate for a truly circular economy in manufacturing. Artificial intelligence is making recycling more efficient than ever before. Robots can now identify and sort materials with a speed and accuracy that was once thought to be impossible. Beyond wheels, recycled aluminum is also vital for the aerospace industry. The same cans you use today could become part of a high-tech airplane wing or a space satellite. The strength and lightness of aluminum make it indispensable for flight. Every pound saved in the structure of an airplane means better fuel efficiency and a lower carbon footprint. Advanced alloys are at the heart of modern jet engines. These materials must withstand incredible heat and centrifugal forces, proving the versatility and reliability of aluminum in extreme environments. Collaboration is the key to solving the world's most pressing environmental challenges. By sharing knowledge and technology, we can create a future where every product is designed for recycling. Our vision for the future is built on sustainable materials. Recycled aluminum will play a central role in constructing the smart cities and transportation systems of the 21st century. The benefits of high-quality aluminum extend to many other sports and industries. From bicycles to high-speed trains, this metal is the foundation for a world in constant motion. Recycled aluminum is also in the electronics we use every day. Its durability and heat dissipation properties make it the perfect material for high-end computers and mobile devices. The transition to clean energy also relies on aluminum. It is used in everything from wind turbines to solar panel frames, helping us harness the power of nature sustainably. And in electric vehicles, aluminum is essential for the motors and battery enclosures. Its ability to conduct electricity and manage heat is critical for the performance of the next generation. Safety is always the top priority in automotive engineering. Aluminum's ability to absorb energy during a crash helps protect passengers and sensitive battery components in modern electric cars. The cycle of a car also ends with recycling. By recovering aluminum from old vehicles, we can ensure that these valuable materials are never lost and can be used again. Even the most advanced technology relies on aluminum. In the world of semiconductors, high-purity aluminum is used to create the microscopic circuits that power our modern digital world. Aluminum is even taking us to the stars. The fuel tanks of most rockets are made from lightweight, high-strength aluminum alloys, proving that this metal has no limits whatsoever. And every piece of aluminum has a story to tell. A single can is not just waste. It is a bundle of energy and material that is waiting to be reborn. When you choose to recycle, you are a part of this incredible journey. You are the catalyst for a transformation that turns simple objects into extraordinary high-performance engineering achievements. The journey begins again for thousands of more cans. They are on their way to the factory, where the heat of the furnace will prepare them for their new life. The fires never go out in the pursuit of perfection. This factory is a beacon of sustainability, showing the world that industrial manufacturing can be both powerful and environmentally responsible. The future is bright for aluminum recycling. With new technology and a commitment to sustainability, we can create a world where every piece of scrap is a valuable resource. Precision is the hallmark of this industry. Every measurement, every cut, and in every test is done with a level of accuracy that ensures the highest possible quality for the customer. In the end, it all comes down to the final product. The beauty and performance of these wheels are a testament to the incredible journey they have taken from scrap to supercar. This is the art of engineering. We have taken something simple and turned it into something sublime, proving that there is magic in the process of recycling and technological rebirth. The fiery journey of rebirth is complete. The old has become new, the scrap has become a legend, and the future is more brilliant than we ever could have imagined. Success is measured not just in profits, but in our impact on the world. This milestone is a shared victory for the planet and for the future of our industry. The numbers speak for themselves. Millions of tons of metal saved from landfills, millions of kilowatt hours of energy conserved, and thousands of high-performance parts created for the world. Education is where it all begins. By teaching our children about the power of recycling, we are planting the seeds for a more sustainable and technologically advanced future for everyone. Green energy is the lifeblood of sustainable manufacturing. By using power from water, wind, and sun, we can make the recycling of aluminum a truly carbon-neutral process in time. Zero emissions is our ultimate goal. Advanced filtration systems ensure that the air leaving the factory is just as clean as the air that entered, protecting our local communities. A factory can be a part of the community. By creating green spaces and supporting local initiatives, we are showing that industry and nature can exist together in harmony. The reach of this industry is truly global. From the smallest town to the biggest city, the recycled aluminum products are improving lives and driving progress in every corner of the world. It all comes back to this: a simple can of soda, a moment of refreshment, and the beginning of a cycle that can lead to something truly incredible for everyone. Smart technology is making it easier than ever for everyone to recycle. These bins are the first step in a high-tech chain that turns waste into high-performance supercar components. The work of recycling never stops. Through the night, materials are gathered and prepared for their journey to the factory, where their fiery transformation will finally begin once more. Digital twin technology allows us to optimize the entire factory in a virtual world. We can test new processes and designs before they are ever built in reality. New materials are constantly being discovered and tested by combining aluminum with ceramics. But we can create components that are even stronger and more heat-resistant than anything currently on the market. The future of logistics is here. Drones provide a fast and efficient way to transport critical parts, further reducing the carbon footprint of the entire manufacturing and delivery process. The same high standards we apply to supercars are also found in our electronics. A perfectly finished aluminum frame is a sign of quality and high-end engineering in any device. Even high fashion is embracing recycled aluminum. Its lightweight nature and ability to take vibrant colors make it a favorite material for modern designers around the entire world. High-speed rail is the future of sustainable travel. Aluminum's strength and low weight are what make these incredible machines possible, connecting cities and people faster than ever before. Efficiency is everywhere you look, from the tracks to the power lines. As aluminum is working behind the scenes to make our world more connected and more energy efficient every day. The desert sun provides limitless energy, and aluminum provides the structure to capture it. This partnership between nature and technology is what will power our sustainable future. We are exploring every source of clean energy. Geothermal power provides a constant and reliable source of heat for our furnaces, making the recycling process even more sustainable. This is the true wealth of our modern world. These pellets are a resource that can be used again and again, forever, part of the cycle of creation and rebirth. Innovation is a team sport. By bringing together different perspectives and talents, we can solve the most complex problems and create products that truly change the world for the better. The car of the future is already being designed. It will be lighter, stronger, and more sustainable than anything we have seen before, thanks to the power of recycled aluminum. The new manufacturing techniques are unlocking new design possibilities. These wheels are not just beautiful, they are masterpieces of functional art that push the boundaries of what is possible. The future is ours to create. By choosing sustainable materials and embracing new technology, we can build a world that is more beautiful, more efficient, and more exciting. We are part of a global movement. From the smallest factory to the biggest international organization, we are all working together to create a more sustainable future for everyone. Rewarding excellence is important. This medal represents the same journey of transformation that the metal has taken, from raw potential to a symbol of high achievement. Sustainability is for everyone. By bringing clean recycling technology to every part of the world, we can create jobs and protect the environment for all of humanity's future. From up here, the impact of our choices is clear. We are one planet. And our commitment to recycling is one of the most important things we can do for the future. Self-healing materials are on the horizon. Imagine a supercar wheel that can repair its own scratches, maintaining its perfect showroom finish for the entire life of the vehicle. Art and engineering are two sides of the same coin. By using recycled aluminum, artists can create works that are both beautiful and a powerful statement on sustainability. This is our strategic reserve of material. By recycling today, we are ensuring that we have the resources we need for the incredible technologies of tomorrow and beyond. The combination of robot precision and human oversight is what makes our quality world-class. Every part we produce is a testament to the power of high-tech manufacturing. In the real world, performance is also about safety. Aluminum's unique properties are what make it the best choice for protecting lives in high-speed automotive and aerospace accidents. Yet the ultimate goal of all our work is to preserve the natural world. By recycling and using sustainable energy, we are ensuring that future generations can enjoy the beauty of our planet. The cycle of life and rebirth continues. The aluminum we recycle today will be a part of the world our children and grandchildren grow up in, forever a resource. Preserving the past is just as important as building the future. By refurbishing old aluminum parts, we are honoring the engineering legends that came before us for many years. The sea is another frontier for aluminum. Lightweight hulls allow for faster and more efficient transport, reducing fuel consumption and protecting our oceans from unnecessary pollution and emissions. Efficiency on the water is just as important as on the road. Aluminum is the perfect material for building the next generation of clean and fast maritime transportation systems. In the most extreme environments, aluminum is the only choice. Its ability to remain strong and durable in the cold makes it essential for high-stakes scientific exploration. Our reach now extends far beyond our own atmosphere. Recycled aluminum is literally powering our presence in space, helping us learn more about our place in the universe. The passion for discovery is what drives us. Every new mission is a chance to use our best technology and materials to explore the unknown and push boundaries. In the heat of competition, the quality of every component is tested. These wheels, born from recycled cans, are proving themselves against the very best in the entire world. Winning is the ultimate proof. From the scrapyard to the podium, this journey has been a victory for engineering, sustainability, and the power of human imagination today. The trophy is a symbol of everything we have achieved. Once it is a reminder that with vision and hard work, we can turn even the most humble material into legend. The beauty of the machine is what captures our hearts. But it's the technology and the sustainability behind it that will ensure we can enjoy it for generations. The fiery journey of rebirth is now complete. We have turned waste into wonder, and the road ahead is more beautiful and more sustainable than ever before. The fiery journey of rebirth is now complete. We have turned waste into wonder, and the road ahead is more beautiful and more sustainable than ever before.